In this video, I will show you how to fix the slow download speed of your Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar on your Windows computer. Type Microsoft Edge. Then, click to open Microsoft Edge from the search results. Once Edge is open, you need to open a new tab. In the address bar of this new tab, type this: edge:/flags. Press Enter on your keyboard. Now, you will be inside the experimental features settings of Microsoft Edge. In the search bar at the top of this page, type the word Parallel. You will now see a setting called Parallel Downloading. If it is set to default, you need to change it. Click the drop-down next to it and select Enabled. After that, look at the bottom of the screen and click the Restart button that appears. This will restart Microsoft Edge and apply the change. Now, we are going to adjust a few more settings inside the Edge browser. Click the three dots at the top right corner of Microsoft Edge. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. In the Settings page, look at the left side. Click on the option called System and Performance. On the right side, you will see a setting called Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. You need to turn this setting off. Below that, there is another setting called Use Hardware Acceleration when available. You need to turn this one on. After you make these changes, Microsoft Edge will download files faster. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.